Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The police in St. James have launched a major operation to clamp down on criminal activities. The counter-offensive comes after a flare-up of criminal activity, which included an attack on a high-ranking police officer. Amoy Harriot tells us more.
With 70 murders recorded between January 1 and June 9 in St. James, the parish has been named the bloodiest police division so far this year. In response to the mayhem, the police are intensifying their efforts. A joint police-military operation has been launched, which, according to the police, will see law enforcement patrolling the streets of St. James 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
The intention is to target those criminals who have over time made these communities uncomfortable for decent, law-abiding citizens. Our operational initiative will see us using a number of operational options, and we'll be using all that is available.
The parish has seen a reduction in murders when compared to the corresponding period last year. However, there has been an uptick in rape and shooting incidents. Operations Officer for the St. James Division, Deputy Superintendent of Police Linroy Edwards, says the police are prepared to defend themselves if they are challenged by criminals.
And even though we are armed with pepper spray, batons, and other less lethal devices, we are also equipped with firearms. So we ask that these criminals surrender so we can take them into custody without any form of incidents. However, if they choose to challenge us and use their weapons against us, we won't hesitate to respond likewise.
Residents are being warned to brace for possible delays when commuting the streets.
We'll be as professional as best as possible. Even though you may be inconvenienced, your human rights will be observed. But these criminals will be pursuing them throughout the length and breadth of St. James on a consistent and continuous basis.
Meanwhile, the police leadership has lauded the Beat Officer Patrol Division, which was launched in the parish over a month ago. The initiative led to the apprehension of 2 murder suspects last week.
Since its inception, we have been able to keep the vendors at bay and allow for a free flow of traffic along the corridors within the township. We have only had one incident, which is testament to the fact that with increased presence, we will ensure that the persons and citizens in Montego Bay are safe.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
Fire him.